The one thing that I know is that you've been waiting patiently for the right home to come on the market. You know the one that is the cut above, the one that's been lovingly cared for. Well, this could be the one for you. And you know what? Most homes can be cared for on the inside, not the outside, or vice versa. That's not the case with this home. You're going to absolutely love how it's been looked after internally and externally. So what stands out for me are the very generous sized windows, which allow an abundance of natural light into the living, dining and kitchen areas. The home is elevated, so you feel like you're looking out over everybody and towards the leafy aspect. And all the mums to be are going to absolutely love the fact that the kitchen looks out on a wonderful northerly backyard, and it's just a kid's paradise. Internally, we have 3 generous bedrooms, an open lounge dining area, and for you guys, there is a double garage. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and you are going to love this home at 26 Greenslopes Avenue, Mount Ousley. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon, and bye for now.